L.Rey beats.
She like the way I live, she like the way I live, she like the way I live, yeah, she like the way I live. I got them dead presidents, and I can't fuck with them, and I will fold on my clip. They hate to see me winning, when they trap selling bricks. I am a lethal weapon, and I shoot down any bitch. She like the way I live, I got them dead presidents, and I can't fuck with them, and I will fold on my clip. They hate to see me winning, when they trap selling bricks. I am a lethal weapon, and I shoot down any bitch. She said she...
Alright, hi, hello. Me from the future editing the video you are currently watching. So, couple things. One, I remember this morning vividly, even though it was well over a year ago. I maybe slept 2 hours the night before this was done. So, a lot of this video is going to be just footage from the dyno, because I was incredibly tired. I had both my Trevors there, Nolan there, so I was just catching up with them, talking to them. It's gonna be a lot of raw dyno footage. I didn't have the energy that day. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I did a shoot with Alexia the night before, and then slept for 2 hours, then went to Dotson. So, yeah, energy just wasn't there. Two, I did do a immediate drive after the dyno tune, but the footage was lost. So I just put in little clips there, and y'all are just gonna vibe to some music that I choose to put in, because the audio just completely took a crap. So that is what it is. Not super exciting, but whatever. Lastly, so this is current time. This video was shot a year ago. I am currently working out the details, but I am going to be doing a giveaway shoot with a good friend of mine that I recently had the pleasure of working with, Macy. I'll put her Instagram somewhere up here. But if y'all want to win that, then y'all go follow Royal Streets on Instagram if y'all trying to get some saucy pictures. You know, if y'all want your chance to get some saucy like that, go check out the Instagram. Giveaway will be going on soon. Huge thank you to Macy for partnering with me on this to get the media page some exposure. So go check out Instagram and follow Macy too. And y'all go get a chance to win a shoot, me photographing her modeling. And yeah, it'll be lit.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to today's video. So today is dyno day. We are on our way to Dotson's Tuning to get pro tuned. I was up super late getting the car done, so I'm extremely tired, but after the tune it'll all be worth it. I'm hoping to make 290 wheel horsepower, but we'll see what Calvin can do for us. I'll give you guys an update once we get to Dotson. Alright, what is up, you guys? We have made it to Dotson's Tuning. I'm about to head in and talk to Calvin and get the car ready to go on the dyno and get tuned. I'm excited. I am extremely tired. I still have work today, but the car sounds so good, and I can't wait to see how it performs after this tune. Again, I haven't been able to push it, so we brought all the mounting stuff, so I'm going to go in and talk to Calvin, get everything situated, and he's actually going to start tuning it. So I'll see you guys in the dyno.
me go.
Alright, you guys, so we went on a first test drive, and the audio, for some reason, the microphone got disconnected, so there's no audio to it. So I'll make sure to, tonight after work, go get a point of view drive with the new tune and the downpipe. I absolutely love it. The pops are loud. I've been getting flames. It feels so much quicker. So it only gained almost 20 horsepower, but it gained about 40 foot-pounds of torque. So that's pretty big difference. I can definitely feel the torque. It's a lot more fun to drive now. And just to break everything down, I actually have the Dyno Graph from today. So the dotted lines are my stage 1 tune. The solid lines are the new map on the stage 2 turbo back on 20 psi of boost. So as you can see here, the solid line is a lot more aggressive. We went from about 19 psi of boost to 20.4 peak boost. What I really like to see, so this is my torque before, my torque afterwards. It's a lot more aggressive, and it just comes on instantly. Subarus are torque animals, and it just comes up. Horsepower, it's a very constant and steady gain throughout the whole power band, which I really like. The curve looks really nice. Like I said, it's constant from beginning to end, the gain on it, so I'm very happy with that. Again, my goal was 290, and as you can see right here, I made 295, if it'll focus. I made 295 horsepower and 361 foot-pounds of torque. So overall, very happy with the numbers. Very happy with the way the car drives. The curves look amazing. I'm honestly, I couldn't be happier with the car. So I have the bug in me now, and I'm definitely going to be doing more power mods just because it's fun. It really is. The only thing is I'm going to be careful and do it the right way because I really don't want to be blowing the motor. So as time goes on, we'll be adding more power, but for right now, just a downpipe and a tune makes such a big difference. Hopefully next, I do have to get new rotors. It's just the rotors are starting to go bad on the front, so it's time to get new rotors. I'm going to get some better rotors this time. After that, I'm thinking maybe fueling and intake, TGVs, some slight stuff to get a little bit more power. I don't really want to go too crazy until I know for sure what my stock block can handle. I still need to do more research and working with Kraken and Dotson. And with that being said, don't forget to hit up Dotson's Tuning in DFW for all your Subaru needs. He tunes a bunch of other cars. It's just Subarus is kind of the main thing he does, as well as Kraken Motorsports. They're right next to each other. Kraken Motorsports is, in my opinion, the best shop for Subarus in DFW and one of the best automotive shops, period, in DFW. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification off, and make sure you have the notification off because I have some pretty big announcements coming up you guys will not want to miss. I'll catch you guys on the next one.